Taste the sweetness of beehive treasures in Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where green-spirited brands such as Medex are making the world a better place with the power of bees. As a pioneer of apitherapy, Medex is renowned for developing first-class bee-based supplements. The team's deep knowledge, research and development, and in-house production have contributed to making it a company with long-standing success in turning traditional bee products into clean label and clinically supported innovations. By combining beehives best with science, Medex has become one of the leading European producers and the worldwide leader in discovering the benefits of bee products.
Bees are widely cherished in Slovenia, and we built on that heritage with Medex. And while people mainly connect bees with honey, we also focus our efforts toward promoting other precious products from the hive. These include propolis, the bee's very own protective substance with great anti-inflammatory and disinfecting properties, and royal jelly, the food of queen bees, which we like to call the longevity elixir. We know bee products have tremendous potential in preventive health and should become part of every medicine cabinet of consumers looking for clean, natural, and effective solutions.
This bee-friendly world ambassador is the holder of some of the highest quality certificates and is regarded as Slovenia's best company to work for in the food industry. With green products such as the Gelée Royale, a royal jelly-based product line that stimulates immunity and physiological balance, Medex taps into the healing benefits of nature and improves people's well-being. By being green, creative and smart, Medex is an example of the passionate Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Unlock the power of nature in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.